Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. What if I told you that a single plant could boost your energy, improve digestion, lower blood sugar, fight inflammation, and even stop cravings? Sounds unbelievable, right? But that's exactly what Moringa does. However, it's not for everyone. Stick around till the end, because I'll reveal its side effects, who should avoid it, and the right way to use it to prevent any bad effects. What is Moringa? Moringa, also called the miracle tree, is packed with vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory compounds. It's been used for centuries in Ayurvedic medicine for its healing properties. Moringa for digestion and constipation. Moringa is rich in fiber, which acts as a natural laxative, helping clear out waste and reduce bloating. It contains isothiocyanates, which help remove toxins from the gut and support healthy digestion. If you struggle with constipation, Moringa can soften stools and promote regular bowel movements naturally. Moringa for hemoglobin and energy boost. Moringa is high in iron and folic acid, which are essential for producing hemoglobin and preventing anemia. It also contains vitamin C, which helps iron absorption, making it more effective for those with low iron levels. This is why Moringa is a natural energy booster. It helps oxygen flow better in your blood. Moringa for inflammation and pain. Relief Moringa contains quercetin and isothiocyanates, which are powerful anti-inflammatory compounds. It helps reduce joint pain, muscle inflammation, and even arthritis symptoms. Many people report feeling less pain after just a few weeks of regular use. Moringa for controlling cravings and weight loss. Moringa helps balance blood sugar, reducing sudden hunger cravings. It's high in fiber and protein, which keeps you full for longer, making it easier to eat less and lose weight naturally. Moringa for sugar control and blood pressure. The chlorogenic acid in Moringa helps regulate blood sugar by slowing glucose absorption. It contains potassium and quercetin, which relax blood vessels and reduce high blood pressure. How to use Moringa the right way. Start slow. For the first week, take only 1/4 or 1/2 teaspoon daily to allow your body to adjust. From the second week onwards, you can increase to 1 tablespoon in the morning and 1 tablespoon at night for best results. Do not take it on an empty stomach. It can cause diarrhea or stomach cramps in some people. Who should avoid Moringa? Side effects: pregnant women. Moringa can cause uterine contractions and may lead to complications. People on blood pressure or diabetes medication. It can lower sugar and BP too much, so consult your doctor. Those with a sensitive stomach. Moringa can cause diarrhea or bloating in some people. People on thyroid medication. It may interfere with thyroid hormone. So, are you ready to try Moringa? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with someone who needs this. See you in the next one.